Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about some of my thoughts about ChatGPT and generative AI tools in the market right now, like Bard, like GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, and ChatGPT itself. I will talk about some of the thoughts that I think after working in industry for 4 years. I think this is something very useful, and this is something that will change the course of industry in the coming years. So what I think is that it will definitely gonna change a lot of job roles. It will definitely affect some of the job roles in both positive way or in negative way. uh, but let's see. But in this video I will talk about the positive things about generative AI and chat gpt and other tools, but definitely generative AI tools. So uh, so yeah. So let's talk about what is ChatGPT first, or what is like. So ChatGPT or generative AI tools generally provides us natural language interface to ask for things, or code generation, like ask for code generation that we used to rely on Stack Overflow or Google searches, or for this, or in case to senior developers. So, what are the benefits of Chat GPT and generative AI tools? So, it gives rise to citizen development. Like citizen development used to means that non IT trained people could work on with low code or no code development tools in their business processes. That was called citizen development. But this Chat GPT and generative AI tools, it gives rise to citizen development, meaning general public would be able to rely on generative AI for their development, and generative AI can help them develop software applications too. So, yeah, citizen development using generative AI will produce more software and products for the market very quickly. So just like I said, this citizen development, because other people will be able to interact with the generative AI and can quickly get their softwares up and ready. They can like take help from it. At least they can get the boilerplate ready, or and they can ask for answers, and they can have a quicker entry to market. It will speed up the software development life cycle, freeing up space for developers to think for creativity, innovation, and solving the problem. Generative AI has capability to significantly augment system engineers, DevOps engineers, data engineers, and data analyst role far more than software developers. So yeah, like you see, the DevOps engineer role, or system engineers, or cloud engineers, and data engineers, their job can be made so much easy by the use of generative AI tools, because they can quickly get the answers, because generative AI has the capability to learn from the natural language, or from the data of documentations, and things like that. Now Stack Overflow is also releasing its Overflow AI. So their jobs are definitely gonna be more easy, and more gonna be more productive, because like in the case of data analysts, they can quickly ask for SQL queries, SQL analysis, or in case of Excel they can ask for DAX and Power Query, or in case of data engineers they can quickly ask for data wrangling or ETL, for Python in natural language. So this natural language interface has created a very has created a very close collaboration, or close interface with the computer, with the programming languages. So SQL and SQL and Python and DAX language, Power Query, you name it. Like this, and in DevOps engineers, their scripts can be written so easily. For and infrastructure or cloud knowledge is very easily embedded in generative AI. They can quickly ask for answers and quickly debug issues. So yeah, it will definitely gonna help them and augment their role for better. And I had one more point. So, yeah, it really eases their work to quite some extent. Like another point, if in the future we see that the generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, or Copilot are trained on technical documentations, it would be very like change the course of software industry. Because if we are able to train generative AI with the documentation of tools, technologies, and frameworks, then it's like like answering natural language problems, and it having the knowledge of the framework or tools behind it. It can quickly give us a lot of information and answers, and it can quickly help ease our development. So yeah, this is like something like that I am predicting that it will happen very soon. Data engineers and data analysts are seeing huge productivity gain in their work due to generative AI. So yeah, these are some of the benefits that I can predict and I can see, like citizen development using chat gpt, like other background people can quickly work on development, or at least take help from like most of the tasks like of development, like they will be able to do or by themselves. So yeah, these are some of the benefits. Like also one of the benefit would be like there would be a lot of more like a lot of products that will be ready for the market sooner, because it reduces software development life cycle. It like you can give the low level tasks like any syntax issues or database query things to chat gpt or generative ai, and they will be like it will you can give low level tasks to generative ai. Like in my case, like I give tasks like uh, give tasks like SQL queries or DAX to ask to generative AI. I just ask the thing that I want, and it gives us quickly give us the formula or the function for in that case. So yeah, so software development lifecycle will be greatly get reduced and speed up. Then we will have room for better products and more quality oriented products. So yeah, these are some of the benefits of chat gpt and generative ai tools that I can think of. There would be other benefits as well. I would love to hear more about views from you. Please give me your reviews on what are the benefits of generative AI tools and ChatGPT, and what are you seeing in the future where this generative AI will go. And yes, there are some negative aspects of generative AI as well that we will talk in the upcoming video. So yeah, please if you like my views or if you have your own views, please comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on technology and stuff. Thank you.